Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Now pick the item to share. Select the file or folder, then click Share or right-click and choose Get Link. Once done, focus on the link type shown. OneDrive defaults to a link that anyone with it can use, so make sure to check if you need restricted access. You'll immediately see options like Copy Link or Send. Choose Copy Link to grab the URL or switch to specific permissions before moving on. Now you control how the link behaves. Select Can View or Can Edit depending on intent, and toggle Block Download if you want view only with no file saving. Make sure to set an expiration date or password for extra security. Once set, the link will expire automatically. If you need to restrict to certain people, change link scope to specific people and add their emails. After configuring, click Apply so your permissions stick before copying the final link. Paste the copied link where recipients expect it and include brief instructions like whether they can edit. Once shared, test in a private browser to confirm the exact access level users will see. This avoids surprises. If someone reports a problem, return to Manage Access to change permissions, remove specific users, or delete the link entirely to revoke access. If sharing fails, first verify the recipient's email and your organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.